start again making some manipulations of the object. And now we'll take that and we converted that into a solid after some operations. There you go. We'll make a creasing on those edges. So we have a hard edge there. And we'll make some other very small alterations on that part of the object of the building. Because this is again a conceptual design for a building. Let's say that we're working on a pavilion, and we want to take this model into Revit because we want to continue work there. I'll just create a couple more modifications because it's so easy. So now that we have this, we'll just crease the bottom, convert to solid, save as DWG, and in this case I'm saving as 2007 because my version of Revit, which is 2009, still doesn't have the chance to read 2010, but that will be possible afterwards. So I'm just importing the DWG file into the masking environment in Revit. So if you're familiar with the building maker feature, this is exactly what I'm doing right now. So let's go into 3D and finish the mass. And we can now start converting faces into elements, for example walls in this case. I'll just change the shading so we can understand a little more what we're doing. And I can also create curtain walls. And what Revit is doing right now, it's able to select the NURB patches that we created when we did the solid. So any kind of other operation on the mask that you may want to do in Revit, you need to do it first in AutoCAD. This is the workload right now. This may change in the future, will be enhanced, but it's still very exciting to see what we can do. And a lot of Revit users have been trying this, and they're very happy to see how they can now create these objects from AutoCAD in a very easy way. The new conceptual tools in Revit are great. They do have some constraints and some limitations due to the fact that they still work with work planes. So one of the good things about AutoCAD is that there are no limitations on that side, and if the user is comfortable and the project needs more flexibility, maybe AutoCAD is a better place to start. The good thing is that they can always go into Revit and do the rest of the project if that's what they're doing. So the fact that AutoCAD can be also a front end for conceptual design in verticals is a very important